Today, we will talk about gray box testing. Gray box refers to the testing of software where there is some limited knowledge of its internal workings. Gray box testing is an ethical hacking technique where the hacker has to use limited information to identify the strengths and weaknesses of a target's security network. Gray box is the hybrid of white box testing, where the tester examines the internal logic and structure of the software's code, and black box testing, where the tester knows nothing about the software's code. Black box testing looks at nothing more than inputs by the user and what output the software produces given those inputs. White box testing requires in-depth knowledge of the techniques and platforms used to build software, including the relevant programming language. Gray box testing includes important components of both black and white box testing to get a better result than either could obtain alone. Gray box testing can be manual or automated and involves identifying inputs, outputs, major paths, and subfunctions. A gray box tester might check and fix the links on a website, or test an online calculator, by defining inputs and checking for correct outputs. Gray box testing looks at both the application's user interface and its internal workings and is mainly used in integration testing and penetration testing. Because gray box testing is meant to be conducted from the perspective of a user or hacker, it may reveal important flaws in the software that can then be fixed or patched to prevent malicious attacks. Both developers and security testers can conduct gray box testing. White box testing is conducted by developers and testers who are very familiar with the code used to write the software, while black box testing is conducted by testers who don't need to know the software's code. Gray box testing is a hybrid of the two and can be conducted by experts who conduct both white box and black box testing. Gray box testing can be used to see what kind of access a user has when signing into a website or app, and therefore, how easy or difficult it might be for someone to hack into the site with similar credentials, or without any credentials. Here are 3 key takeaways. 1. Gray box testing is a technique for discovering software bugs or finding exploits, where some limited knowledge about the underlying software is known in advance. 2. This form of ethical hacking allows software developers to create fixes and patches to prevent malicious attackers from utilizing these exploits. 3. Gray box testing is essentially a blend of white box, full knowledge, and black box, no knowledge, methodologies. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.